Are you too silly?
I'm smart.
Are you silly?
Pick up, Mama.
Huh?
Pick up.
Pick up Jack?
Yeah.
Well, he wants a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love your brother, Addison? Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Oh, that's nice. You want, give him a ride? Yeah? What a good big sister. What a big sister! Yay! Thank you, Addison. It's fun.